Code blocks. It is free and open source IDE. GCC based compiler. Run in C and C++. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter code blocks download. Enter key press codeblocks.org downloads. First link click. Code blocks official web page complete display. Download section lo download the binary releases option select. Binary releases section lo supporting OS Windows XP, Linux and Mac OS. Scroll down. Operating system default detected Microsoft Windows 64-bit. First one file section lo fourth option code blocks latest version 25.0.3 MinGW inbuilt -setup.exe. Right side download from section lo downloading official web page sourceforge.net. Click. Code blocks. Your download will shortly 0%. Process completed. Download section lo code blocks -setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 404 MB. Wait and hear until downloading process completing. Scroll down. Code blocks internal features. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo code blocks setup file display. Select mouse double click. Setup.exe window lo first button yes click. Code blocks download folder minimize. Welcome to code blocks setup window lo first button next click. License agreement GNU based general public license. Complete info display in box. Second button I agree click. Choose components. Select the type of install. Middle section lo installation components display. All options default tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose install location. Destination folder installation default path display. Local disk C program files newly created folder code blocks and installation space required 1.5 GB. Second button install click. Installing, please wait while code blocks is being installed. Desktop shortcut code blocks display. Application related executable file extracting and installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Do you want to run code blocks now? Window lo first button yes click. Code blocks IDE run. Compilers auto detection window lo middle section lo detected compiler. OK button click. Second button next click. Completing code blocks setup window lo finish click. Window maximize. Start here. Close. Top section lo file menu click. New option select. Sub panel lo empty file click. Enter the C program simple script. Settings menu click. Second option editor click. General settings window lo right side choose select. Font size 18. Set font color default black. OK button click and OK click. File menu re click. Save file option select. Top section lo new folder click. Delete key plus enter the file name C files. Enter key press. Bottom side open button click. Box mouse left click. Delete key press enter the program related file name chari.extension C. First button save click. Run this and compile. Top section lo build menu click. Third option run click. Information window lo first button yes click. File executed output chari tech info display. Close. File menu re click. New option select. Sub panel lo empty file click. C++ simple script. File menu click. Save file option select. Enter the file name charitech.cpp. First button save click. టాప్ సెక్షన్లో రన్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ బటన్ క్లిక్. ఫస్ట్ బటన్ ఎస్ క్లిక్. డిస్ప్లే చారి టెక్ ఇన్ఫో వరంగల్.